arrived to Ubud. Hey! This is a little insert because I'm going to show you what is the process of doing laundry in Indonesia. So basically I went down the road and opposite of our Bali Spring cottages there are two ladies, the owners of the laundry, which in Indonesian is called mancucian. So I went to do mancucian a couple of days ago. It doesn't seem like you can see the place from here, but here it is, Ubud. Beautiful place, green. And basically gave my clothes to wash, and a couple of days later, I mean the next day really, the clothes are washed. 1 kilogram of washing, so clean clothes, costed me 7,000. My whole washing was 2 points. I think 3, but they charged me 16,000. So I just wanted to show you how it looks when it arrives to you, all clean. Here it is. So it's nicely packed. Here's the receipt. Daily clean on Street Jembawan, number 40, Padang Tegal, Ubud. My name, and basically it was washed and ironed. 2.3, 16. Yeah. Always bring the change because you can't pay card here, so always bring the change. And then what happens, like, you just basically like put in a bag all of your dirty clothes, and then what they do, they clean it for you and they iron it, and then they very nicely, tightly put it together. So here it is. I'm just going to show you what I have here. So on the side, basically each piece of clothes are individually kind of wrapped and put one after another. Some towels, some t-shirts, a skirt, like your pants and socks. And then I also washed my little bag. Got it from Poland. It's a really good bag for your phone, just to have it with you next to you rather than just keep looking in your bag. So yeah, it's really nicely created, and then every time it just smells so good, literally, like kind of reminds me about like old style washing in Poland, when you kind of bring your sheets and they just wash it. In Polish it's called krochmal. It smells with this really nice chemical. So obviously, like, you can do it natural as well. I'm sure in here it's more natural as well, but they have a big washing machine. And then I'm not sure if they separate the colors. I do separate, but here basically I think they would charge twice if you want to like separate things. But maybe I should try. It's always good to keep the light colors separately, dark colors separately. That's what my mama teach me. Avoid giving a very delicate stuff or crochet stuff. Like I have this bag, which is a bottle, a bag for a bottle from India. It's really actually popular here. Everyone's asking me like where I bought it. And I think it's gone a little bit, I mean, it's not as kind of fresh as before, because I think they might wash in higher temperature than it needs. I accidentally put it in, so I would say avoid those things. Avoid delicates, avoid something that is made out of quite expensive fabric. But just general t-shirts, trousers, it's fine. Even like this kind of bag that I just showed you for my phone. it's fine. It's even like very nicely smelling, and I wouldn't be worried. The colors don't seem to be coming off, so it's okay, really okay. So yeah, don't worry about laundry. Don't worry about taking too many clothes, because you can wash it easily in here in Indonesia, in Bali. I think we haven't tried in Lombok. We tried in Gili as well, and it was a little bit more expensive. So in Java was 5,000. In Seminyak, I think also was 5,000. Then in Uluwatu, I think was around 10,000. And then in Gili, because of like problem with getting fresh water, I think just basically shortage of water, and it's more difficult to use water for them. So basically it was 20,000. So each place would give you a different price. I would say like some places will create it more nice, the other just regular. But definitely I felt comfortable with people taking care of my clothes in here. No problem at all. And yeah, just make sure that you separate things that you just really care about, and just maybe wash by hand. It's fine, you can always do that. Yeah, I'm not sure about shoes. We haven't tried to wash shoes. I think maybe possible depending on the place. So yeah, again, this is the package. And as I said, don't worry about taking too many clothes. It's always good to have like maybe like enough to have like I would say for 2 ways. So if you give one part to the washing, maybe you have some more in your bag. I think I have kind of 2 sets. So I've never felt that I'm missing clothes. I don't have clothes to wear. So yeah, so I've like just enough or a little bit too much. But if I knew that the laundry system is so good here, probably would have taken less. So that's the tip for you. And laundry services are nearly everywhere. Like on our streets, I think there are 3. One called mini laundry that is super busy. Our laundry is called daily laundry. Yeah, so people just make a good business here on this laundry. So again, be confident of using local businesses here. You support local businesses as well, which is great. And very satisfied and very happy about it, especially for the price of 7,000 today. So good stuff.